Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a digestion apparatus, or you can say distillation also. There is similar distillation. Here we have the Gelda's flask and stilt head and condenser is there. On the back side you can see the condenser to be connected to the rubber tubes with the water, and here is a collection flask. You can collect it, the sample. After distillation it will boil, and there is a heating system here. We have got this heating system, which is there is a off position. This one is an indicator off position. It goes to 10 to 30 is a slow heating, and above that up to 50-60 is a medium heating, and this is very fast heating. 100 is 100% heating, no stopping. Better use 50 to 60 at this point is better for heating. This will go on, stop and start. For heating, this is an energy regulator, not a thermostat. Please be careful, this is not a thermostat. See our other videos how to use the energy regulator. In different instruments we have told you. And now these are heating system. Here we have got the 4-part system, and then 3 heating systems are there. There is another one with the single or with the 6 units, which is common. The rods, vertical rods and horizontal rod is there. These are Bossard condenser clamps, and you can, if you want to change the sample, you can just open this and these two just rotate it little bit and it will open up. You can change the sample, put it here and then put this back. When you are connecting it for the first time, please be careful. You have to hold both of these together, one so that this may not fall. This is our quick fit system. This may not fall. There are other clamps available which you can collect and it will fix this. And then somebody should connect them, set up the this condenser and other thing. Be careful, these can break. These are glassware. When they reach you, and this is again one Soxhlet apparatus. It has 3 parts: flask, condenser and Soxhlet extraction is there. 3 parts. We have got these 3. Please see the other video by Abron, a Soxhlet extraction apparatus, and these are please send us an email on abron01@gmail.com. Our website is abronexports.com, and this is my WhatsApp number 9416020018. You can buy or in India or export. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.